Hey everyone, welcome to Appalachian Farmstead. I'm Mike, and we are in our repurposed greenhouse. This is where, if you watch the last couple videos, can you see shortbread right here, her baby's right underneath her, s'mores. This is where we moved our goats into to make a maternity ward. So, we do have a problem though. Kind of wasn't on the agenda today, but we have a baby. One of the Boer kids has ORF. So that is a viral infection that is contagious, and it's what's the word I'm looking for? Zoonotic. So you can get it if you touch it. So we have our vet. We bought ampicillin, and we're doing 3 days on all the babies, basically all the babies that hang out together. So little s'mores over here doesn't hang out with anybody. And then you can't see off camera here, but Peaches triplets, they don't sleep. And this is where they don't sleep together with the other ones. So this right there is where they all sleep. So my goal here today is to clean all this, the general area where the goats hang out during the day and they kind of lay around here and sleep during the day. I want to get this all cleaned out, all this hay, poop, and pee. Then I'm going to put down lime. I'm going to lime the whole thing, and then I'm going to put new bedding back in. And then in the next day or so, I'll do all the stalls. None of the babies that are affected go in these stalls. We close them up during the day so they can't get in there. So I think we're okay there. I mean, I'm going to do as much as I can, but it's already 3 o'clock. I had to do something with our bucks. I had to fix that situation. The goats broke the door. Oh, man. So I had to fix this door. So that's taking me way longer than I expected. So there's that. All right. So if you don't know what ORF is, I thought it was a bacteria, but it's not. It's a virus. And so what's going on there? And if you raise goats, you're going to deal with ORF. And usually it just goes away within a couple days, especially if you're like our buck has had it before, and it just goes away. I know it can get really bad and like just cover their face if you were an idiot to let it go that long. But since these babies are hanging out together, this needs cleaned and kind of sanitized. Most of the time, it's on their face, like on their nose, and then sometimes it'll get on and I'm taking an assumption here that if the baby has it on its nose and then it's nursing on the mother, it would get on the mother's udder. But I'm not going to show it to you because I'd have to like hold the little goat up and flash you a butthole because that's where it's at, which is weird. Never seen it there. But took a picture, sent it to the vet. So she's like, okay, do this so it doesn't spread to the other girls. So that's what we're doing. So right now, I'm going to get to cleaning. Yeah, you're not coming in. No. Ooh. Woo! You know what? Nobody shows you this shit. Because this ain't the fun part of raising goats. Everybody shows you the little jumping around, popping and hopping, right? They don't show all this crap. Ugh. Literal crap. Like literal crap. You need to chill out there, shortbread. There is nothing in this you need. All right, we are getting there. I'm almost over to the peaches, but you can see all the white on the ground. This is the lime. This will dry it out. It also changes the pH very quickly, and it will kill most. This is why dairy farmers use lime in their barns, because it wipes out most pathogens. So you can actually use the lime growing mushrooms to kill anything before for sterilization, if you didn't know that. So anyways, so the next step will be put fresh bedding on and then let the goats back in. Hey everyone, so we have cleaned out the disgusting pea, poop, and hay, and possibly contaminated hay. And as you've seen there, we limed everything, so that will change the pH very quickly, and poof, a lot of that stuff goes away. Now we've put brand new bedding back in, as you can see. Sun's going down, it's getting dark. But just remember, when you're raising goats, any animal, honestly, you just got to pay attention and look and watch how they act every day, because they have moods. But if they're not feeling good, you can definitely tell. And you got to be vigilant to see like this ORF, and just watch for it. Most of the time it just goes away, but since these little guys are all sleeping together, we're not taking any chances. And not only have we cleaned the house out and sterilized it, but we've also used ampicillin, and we got 2 more days of that, and we should be good. So, all right. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. We answer all of them. And we appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.